Hello, fellow degenerates. Today we're going to talk about BONK. It is a meme coin, it's a dog, that actually has some use cases. Whoa, I know. Usually rare, but today we have something that you can actively use. Now, in case you never heard about BONK, I want to show you something that is worth $2 billion and built on this dog-looking thing. About 80% of the entire supply is circulating. They have a volume of 300 mil a day, and they're listed on pretty much every big exchange in the world, including Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and the other words you can see on screen. And we get 29 pages down here. That's a lot. Plus, you can get this on 10 different chains, including Injective, and Base, and Aptos. Many people don't use this, but it's still available then. So it's a lot more than just Solana meme coin as it originally started as. It is much more of a BONK. Now, in the white paper and the website, it gives you this warning, which is kind of gay, so we just skip that. BONK is more than an ordinary dog. 700k holders, lots of integrations, and a bunch of different checks. BONK is the social layer and the community meme coin of Solana, with deep integrations as a utility token across a wide range of applications, lots of different ways. So you can use this in order to, integrate it into Telegram and buy coins. You can use it to swap a bunch of stuff. You get free wallets. There are different things. Clean your wallets and get BONK tokens. It has a lot of different use cases. They even have a whole party with paid girls, trusty supporters of this project. How about BONK? I never had that. I wasn't invited, but they do have it. Let the dog run, that's what they say. They had their party, everybody's super cool, they are dripped out, they probably shot their Rolexes they bought with crypto. And I will show you what the BONK bot does. What can this bot do? Brazenly fast, turning into fingertips, you start to open the main menu and start using all your features, fast swaps, new token alerts, trade tracking, and P&L. As far as I know, if people get into meme coins early, the ones that have like 2k market cap, 5k market cap, like insanely new and low, that's kind of what they use. Which means, start. Click the button, starts automatically. You currently have no Sol wallet. You currently have no Solana in your wallet. Start, trade, deposit, whatever. The wallet is this over here, which means whatever wallet you mainly use, just send it to this one. It's like an integrative wallet into Telegram, into this chat. And in order to buy, trade, and sell, you either type it or you click the buttons down here. So let's say, for example, you want to enter something from pump.fun. You can do that right away by copy-pasting what it is. Let's say you want to have alerts set up. You will click on alerts, it opens this entire thing over here. And we have new pools, renounced things, what is burn, what is a fresh wallet. So issue some coupon alerts for certain coins and certain things that are happening. You can set all up and up. For settings, you can have general settings like the minimum value. For language, how to buy things automatically, how to sell things automatically. Think of this like a trading bot, but you can customize everything and it's free to use. And you can buy things that just launched automatically without doing anything yourself. In this part of the video, simply show someone else using BONKbot. Now the potential for this is kind of endless, as you can customize everything as you like. You can also set up the bot in a way that it snipes absolutely everything right away. And then you get into things before anyone else. Maybe you buy that $1,000 market cap, it goes to 3k, so you're 3x your money. And then you sell it right after, because it's a bot. You can do this infinite amounts of times. You just gotta find a way that is smart, that other people aren't doing, otherwise it's just bots competing against other bots. Overall, if you want to try that out, link is somewhere out. It has an actual use case. You have a token behind it, you have a coin behind it. This is pretty cool. So give it a try. Maybe use like one Solana. You cannot that poor, so you have like $150 to play with. And then see if there's no makes some money or if you lose everything in the first hour.